In a kitchen brighter than a rainbow at rush hour, a purple monster eyed his prize, a mega hot, fiery chili pepper. He chomped down and the kitchen trembled. Suddenly, Hiccup! He ballooned upward, bouncing off lamps and ricocheting around like a purple beach ball. A hiccup shot him out the window. Another sent flames across the room, scorching the poor toast. After upside-down juice and a cat-terrifying roar failed, a girl in big goggles appeared. She offered sugar. One gulp, and the hiccups vanished. Sometimes a simple spoonful really is the secret.